In front of you, there are 3 mystery gift boxes: blue, pink, and gold. Choose carefully because one of them could hide a tricky twist. Let's see how lucky you are. Good luck! First, choose the house you'd love to call home. Pick a perfume that would keep you smelling amazing all day. Choose the phone you'd never leave behind. Pick the car you'd be proud to drive. Choose a necklace that perfectly matches your style. Pick the boat you'd sail off into the sunset with. Choose a motorcycle that looks bold and powerful. Pick a bag that truly matches your vibe. Choose a hat that helps you stand out in the crowd. Pick a hairstyle that makes you feel confident and shine. Choose a closet for all your favorite outfits and treasures. Pick a bracelet that adds a touch of elegance. Choose a backpack perfect for school or travel adventures. Pick a dining table where you'd enjoy family meals. Choose a superhero you truly admire. Pick an ice cream that looks too delicious to resist. Choose the cutest cat you can find. Pick a steak that looks perfectly cooked and mouth-watering. Choose a fresh fruit you'd love to eat right now. Pick a pool where you could relax for hours. Choose headphones for enjoying your favorite music. Pick a cake for your dream celebration. Choose a bathroom that feels calm and relaxing. Pick a pizza loaded with your favorite toppings. Choose socks that are both comfy and fun. Pick a sunny beach with beautiful blue waves. Choose an animal you absolutely love. Choose your gaming mouse. Pick wisely. Choose your smartwatch. Choose your laptop. Pick a chocolate that instantly makes you smile.